Welcome to Rick's RC Flying Channel. This is just a quick video on how to get the little eyelets mounted onto your servos. They can be sometimes so frustrating to squeeze them in. I'm going to show you a really easy way to do that. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm just going to show you an easy way to put these eyelets into your servo grommets. And by the way, when you put them in, the wide part of this goes at the bottom, not at the top. And normally you take your two fingers and you try to get it in there. If you just take a piece of wire, piano wire, for example, or you could use a screwdriver, thin screwdriver, place the grommet in there and just wet it a little bit. Then take it and just place it here. Take your two fingers and pop it in. It literally just takes a second. So again, the wide part always goes on the bottom of the grommet. Place the wire on there. Just wet it a little bit. And then the wire goes in. Take your two fingers and just pop it in. It goes that quick. Literally just takes a second. So that may help you when you go to do it, especially if you got like 8 servos or something. It speeds it all up. I hope you found that tip useful. If you have any comments or questions, I always welcome them. If you liked the video, please select like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.